Alright, so here are my LED door handles. I'll just show you what they look like first. When you're walking up to the car and you hit unlock, the dome light comes on, and so do the exterior handle LEDs. And how I did this is I have a Viper 5701 in the car, and it uses the dome light supervision circuit, which is just an output from the Viper that you hook up to a relay, and that relay goes into the dome light circuit and makes the dome light come on every time you arm and disarm the unit. So go ahead and lock it. It beeps and the dome light will fade away and then shut off, just like that. And now car's armed. Remote start. Just like so. Pretty nice unit, this Viper. Shut it off. And unlock again. And if you notice, I also got white LEDs on the interior. Cool white in both the map lights and the dome lights. Same LEDs that are in the door handle. These are pretty bright. If you can see on the ground, makes a pretty distinct line, which is pretty cool. When you unlock it, you've got lights just surrounding the car. Stays on for about, I think it's 30 seconds, 30 to 60 seconds before they fade away. There it goes. Anyway, thanks for watching.